If your money feels like something you're constantly trying to keep up with, like no matter how careful you are, something still slips, you're not doing anything wrong. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a system problem. And most systems are built like one size fits all. But this is personal finance. And your life isn't the same as anyone else's. Different priorities, different goals, different seasons. So trying to follow someone else's plan usually stops working. This channel is about figuring out what actually works for you, not copying someone else's system, but building your own. Because this isn't about getting it perfect. It's about building something that holds, even when life gets messy. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm someone who had to figure this out the hard way. And if you want your money to finally feel stable and actually fit your life, you're in the right place.